Login into OctaFX app. This is real trading account section and this is demo trading account section. Demo trading account is useful to practice trading, and from real trading account you can deposit real money and trade. Now I show you how to create real and demo accounts and trade. To create a real trading account, click on real and click on plus symbol. Now swipe left side, go to configure, select leverage 1:500 and click on create trading account. So this is your login details. These details you receive from your email, you can collect from them. Now click on later. Now your real trading account is ready. Now click on your real trading account. You can deposit money. You can deposit money from here and withdraw from here. If you want recover or change your real trading account password, click on account settings and you can change from it. To create a demo trading account, click on demo and click on plus symbol. Scroll it left side, select MT4 and go to configure, leverage 1:500 and enter balance, how much you want in your demo account. Now click on create trading account. So this is your login details, demo account login details. So save it safely. So now click on later. So your demo account is ready. So if you want recover change password, go to demo account and go to account settings and you can change it from here. This way you can create any number of real or demo trading accounts. Now I show you how to trade from it. For trading, you need to download this MetaTrader 4 Forex trading app from Play Store and open it. Now go to here. Now go to get started. Now you can add your real and demo trading accounts and trade from here. To add your real trading account, go to plus symbol, go to log into an existing account. So you need to find your server, select your server. To find your server, go to OctaFX app, click on real trading account. So go to info and this is your server, OctaFX Real 7. Now go to trading app, search for OctaFX Real 7. So select your server and enter your real trading account login details here. Now I entered. Now go to sign in. So now your real account is added. Now to add a demo account, go to plus symbol, go to existing account, select OctaFX demo, login, enter your login details and sign in. See here, your demo account was added. So in this way you can log in into any of your demo or real accounts. So if you want delete these accounts, go to three lines and you can delete from here. Now I'll show you how to trade from demo accounts. Now go to select here and you can see pairs from here. If you want to add new pairs, go to plus symbol and add pairs which you want. For example, go to crypto, you can add any pair you want. See there, in this way if you want to delete pairs, you can go to pencil symbol and click on delete button, select your pair you want to delete and go to click delete. This way you can add and delete any number of pairs. And you can see charts from here. You can see active trades from here. You can see completed trades history from here. So now to trade, click here and select your pair. Now I selecting BTC. Now go to new order. See here, if you select a market execution here, it will execute immediately according to the profit market price, present market price. See here, this is the lots. You must select your lots before you take sell or buy order. Your risk of loss or getting profit depends on these lots. Minimum lots to select 0.01 lots, maximum 200 lots. Select small lots containing small risk of loss of your amount. Now I show you how these lots affect on your trade. For that, go to OctaFX app, go to three lines, go to profit calculator, so select MT4 top side and enter your pair, for example BTC USD. Now by selecting, so period, any period, and enter for example 0.01 lot. So open price 21,100 and if you close at 21,200, so select buy order. Now calculate. So in this trade you will get $1 profit. Similarly, for example, if you close the trade at 21 21,000, now same the buy order, now you get $1 loss. Similarly, sale order, from sale order, same order, you will get $1 profit. By the same sale order, if you close the order at 21,200, calculate, so in this trade you will get $1 loss. For example, if you take one lot instead of 0.01, so same order open and close with buy order, now you get $100. So at the same lot, if you take sale order at the same price, now you get loss $100. If you lost amount higher than you deposited amount, your account becomes zero. In this way, with higher lots contain high risk and high profit. So I recommend at 0.01 lot for $200 you have in your account and trade with low risk strategy. So in this box you can enter stop loss price, and in this box you can enter stop profit price and take your buy sell order according to the market. So go here. If you want buy order at a particular upper price, go with buy limit. If you want sell order at a particular lower price, go with sell limit. So if you want buy order at a particular lower price, go with buy stop. So if you want sell order at a particular lower price, go with sell stop. So now I take buy order with present price without any limit. Go click on buy. So it will take buy order. So this is my present active buy order. You can apply limits after you take order also. For that, click on the order, long press, go to modify. You can stop loss and stop limit. This way you can enter and click on modify. Click on modify. So this way you can change your limits after you take order also. This is your limits. So if you want to close order with present loss or profit. So in this way you can trade with your real account after you deposit money in that account. So guys, I hope I explained everything for you. Thank you.